Today while driving, I'm going to troubleshoot my stereo system to fix some. Welcome to Princess Jen channel. Comment, share, like, subscribe. Guys, I'm troubleshooting my stereo system to see if live videos can work in my car via Bluetooth.
Because before I go to the cell phone company, I want to make sure it's working first. Because if I don't, I might just go there and waste my time. And I would rather not do that. So I am just testing to see if I would get the sound in the car while I'm driving, because that was the problem I had before. The sound was horrible. So I'm making sure I can get sound when I'm finished. Can you hear me? Whoever is there, are you hearing me clearly? Oh boy, is that a handicap parking? I think I'm before. It is a handicap parking. Oh, let me move out of here before I get a ticket. Okay, when she comes out, I'll go there. Didn't realize it was a handicap parking. And this person parked so stupid here too. They just parked dumb. See how someone park? So that makes it difficult for me to park next to them. So of course, I went to the handicap parking not realizing that's what I was doing. But that will give the police no excuse. They'll give me a ticket if they find me in the handicap parking. So I have to reverse and go in another spot. Okay. I think I'm better off here. Guys, can you all hear me clearly? Because I'm not sure if this recording is better than what I did twice I've done it in the car and the sound was horrible. So I turned off the Bluetooth in the car to see if it works better. So hopefully it does, and I don't have to go through the process of calling Apple or going to the AT&T store to have them check it out, because I can do this troubleshooting myself. Please subscribe.